Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about why you need to install wheel spacers with hub-centric. Hub-centric wheels can be properly mounted and accurately balanced, but most aftermarket wheels are actually lux-centric, which means the center hole will be made larger to fit over a variety of different vehicles. Lux can be bent under force and provoke vibration if you keep the wheels unbalanced for a long time. For this reason, we recommend the use of hub-centric spacers or hub-centric rings. As a professional spacer designer and manufacturer, BONOSS relies on years of experience and hard work to create the world's first active cooling technique. This technique maintains the brakes at normal temperature to ensure wheel spacers' safety and driving security. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.